Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Dami, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put your hair in a puff. This hairstyle is very versatile. It can work with your hair from when it's still in the teeny weeny afro stage. Just that the length of your hair determines how high you can put the puff. So the first thing I'm going to do is to section my hair. Depending on the length of your hair or how fine your hair is, you can section your hair into the number of pieces you want. I'm going to be sectioning mine into 4. So I'll just work with one section at a time. So I loosely detangle with my fingers just to remove any bumps and knots in the hair before I start to detangle with a comb. In this bottle I have water, leave-in conditioner and some olive oil. So I'm just going to spray this on my hair to make it softer and easier for me to work with. And then I begin to comb. I comb from the tip and then gradually get to the root of the hair. Combing from the tip makes it easier. Now that I'm done detangling the whole hair, I've detangled the 4 sections. I'm going to comb everything together, and you see that the comb can pass through the hair smoothly. So I'm going to add some oil. This is on my carrot and tea tree oil. You can use any oil or hair cream you want, just to ensure that my hair is not dry. I'll work it into the hair. Next, I'm going to use my Gorilla Snot gel. I like this gel because it gives me the style I want, without the crunch of gel. It looks so smooth and the hair will still remain soft. And another thing about this gel is that it's economical. Like once you use it, if you want to touch up your style the next day, you don't need to add more. You just add a little bit of water and then the water reactivates the gel. So that's why I really love this gel. So I'm going to apply the gel around the circumference of my head. I'm just working the gel into my hair. You can add more if you need to, but we are not trying to drench the hair in the gel. Just enough to make sure that it holds your hair in place. And now I'm going to brush the product into my hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get some thread. This is just regular sewing thread. I folded it into, I think, 8. And I'm going to use it to form my puff. So you can flex and flow on this. You can tie it to whatever side you want. You can put it at the back, to the side, to the front, wherever you want, depending on the style that you want to achieve that day or what you feel suits your face. So now I'm just using my hand to detangle the top and arrange it and make it look neat. You can decide to leave it like this, but I love my head to fall forward to my face a little bit. I don't like my forehead to show. Well, sometimes depending on the day, but today I want it to cover my forehead space. So I'm going to begin sectioning the hair. I'm going to tie the rest in a bun, and I'll work on one small section at a time. So I'll be using this Kansu Lock and Twist gel. You can use any one you want. And I'm just going to be working the product into each section of hair. I've seen some people do this style with Vaseline. But some people use what's the name of this gel again? Eco Styler gel. But you can use any gel you want. So I'm just going to be working it into the hair until I start to see the curls form. So you can see the curls are starting to form. So I'm going to repeat this process throughout the whole bun. Now I'm drying my hair. I'm doing this on warm setting. I'm not trying to make it dry completely, just to dry a little bit. And when the hair is completely dry, you won't see all this white cast on it again. So the next thing I'm going to do is to style this hair, because obviously I can't leave it like this. So I want to tuck the back in and then leave the front portion to fall forward to my face. So using a bobby pin, I arrange the hair till I'm satisfied, and then I apply some mousse to my edges. I'm just using the mousse on the sides that the Gorilla Snot gel didn't get. I'm not trying to form baby hairs, I just want my edges to be laid. So I'm going to apply that the front of my head round. You don't need to put any product under the puff because that place is not going to show. So I'm just putting it by the sides. Next, I'm going to use a scarf to set the mousse. So I'm tying the scarf at the back because I don't want the knot of the scarf to make the hair dry upward. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm tying it at the back and not at the front, and wait for it to dry. So now that it's dry and I've taken off my scarf, this is how the finished product looks. Sorry, my lighting changed. So I hope you like this tutorial. It's really easy to do and it's really fast. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.